To reboot almost any Garmin watches, the only thing you need to do is to press and hold the upper left button, the light button, to reach the controls. From there, you will navigate to this power button, so you will hit start for power off and go down to yes and select again. The watch will turn off. You can also force a reboot by pressing and holding the light button for about 10 seconds. After 5 seconds, you will see this message to call for assistance, but you just keep holding until you see the screen turn off, just like that. You will see that it's the same principle with the Garmin Instinct, which you press the light button and you see the controls and you can hold it, and it's the very same thing. Now when you want to power it back on, the only thing you will need to do is to press and hold the light button just like that until you see the logo of the watch. So this one is a Tactics, this one is an Epics, this one would have shown Phoenix, and you just wait for a few more seconds for the watch to power on.
So, this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.